Hello everyone. For today's update, I work on with the enhancement of the AI. So I move the motion detection to the ENB as part of performance settings, and we'll be using this to update and move it to the controller and installation afterwards. Then I also set a motion minimum area percent and a minimum contour sizes. In this way, we will not track specific motion such as moving small objects and leaves, for example. Now, we also implemented a max retry per minute for graph and max retry base delay for 2 seconds, and a total of maximum retry since we're having some issues with maximum retry. Whenever I try to run the application from a couple of time, it having some multiple issues. And I also updated now the code to use RTSP, and I set it to true instead of using the visual, and set an RTSP URL. So in my database, I set up a 2 camera for the RTSP. This one. So I have 2, which is the same since I only have 1 CCTV camera with RTSP that we can use for testing. And for this one, okay, let's try to run this. So if I run the application, it will going to launch and display my CCTV camera. This one. So here we can see that the camera has been initialized and it's supported now for multiple camera as well, and it's detecting whatever it can detect outside. For example, the motion detection, this one can be disabled and enabled. We can click on the camera to display it larger like this, and when someone entered or when someone opened or went through this specific location, we can see that there's a motion that will be identified. So motion are limited to big frames like person, animals, cat, dogs, etc. So we can turn off the motion detection here, but I will be moving this one to per specific configuration on the camera. I think this is all from my end for now. I will be continuing to update this since this is a little bit slow and still needs some modifications to improve the speed of detection. Thank you.